In the rapidly evolving world of dining aesthetics, 2025 marks a revolutionary era for cutlery design. The top 5 cutlery sets of the year embody a fusion of technology, sustainability, and craftsmanship. These designs not only elevate the dining experience through innovative materials and smart features but also reflect modern trends, from minimalist modernity and eco-conscious designs to high-performance, tech-integrated options. Each set is tailored to meet diverse consumer tastes, whether for everyday use, luxurious dining, or adventurous outdoor experiences, ensuring that functionality and style are always at the forefront. Performance, tech-integrated options. Each set is tailored to meet diverse consumer tastes, whether for everyday use, luxurious dining, or adventurous outdoor experiences, ensuring that functionality and style are always at the forefront. Included components: 8x dinner forks, 8x dinner spoons, 8x salad forks, 1x serve spoon, 1x sugar spoon, 1x butter knife, 8x dinner knives, 8x teaspoons, 1x serving fork, 1x pierced serving spoon, 8x dinner forks, 8x dinner spoons, 8x salad forks, 1x serve spoon, 1x sugar spoon, 1x butter knife, 8x dinner knives, 8x teaspoons, 1x serving fork, 1x pierced serving spoon. Style modern. Ergonomic design: size and weight, not too heavy or too large to grasp, not too light or too small to bend. Forget the silverware and enjoy dinners. These stainless steel silverware flatware set comes with 8 pieces each: dinner fork, dinner spoon, dinner knife, teaspoon, salad/dessert fork, plus 1 piece soup/cereal spoon, 1 piece serving fork, 2 pieces serving spoons, and 1 piece sugar spoon. Stylish and durable, our stainless steel flatware set will not bend, break, or get damaged by heat. The solid and durable construction will perfectly prevent the kitchen utensils set from snapping even when used for hard applications. It is also designed to provide firm grip for children and adults alike. Brand: HIWARE, number of pieces 49, material stainless steel, color silver, product care instructions: dishwasher safe, recommended uses for product travel, special feature: rust resistant, finish type polished, included components: flatware, 8 dinner forks, 8 salad forks, 8 dinner knives, 8 dinner spoons, 8 teaspoons, 8 steak knives. Style: heavy duty. For 9-piece silverware set for 8, this cutlery set with organizer come with 8 dinner forks, 8 salad forks, 8 dinner knives, 8 dinner spoons, 8 teaspoons, 8 steak knives, and a silverware drawer organizer with 6 compartments. Ideal for restaurant, weddings, catered events, party, family reunion, upscale catering, or home dinner, and much more. Comfortable design: this flatware set has a classic silhouette with clean lines and polish finish surface in all silver, a good choice to go with your existing tableware. The smooth edge of the handle is pleasure to hold, appropriate weight and perfect balance are added to ensure maximum comfort during use. Material: plastic, color clear, brand: HIWARE. Product dimensions: 7.1 inch LX 1.3 W. Handle material: plastic, premium material. Our clear plastic silverware are made of heavyweight food-grade polystyrene, totally BPA-free, toxin-free. Premium material: lead your healthy life, durable, heavy-duty. Edge-thickening design makes our cutlery plastic disposable much more durable than others and won't bend easily. They are perfect for any type of heavy, hard, or dense food. You can enjoy your meals without worrying of dropping food. Smooth edge design won't scratch your skin. Heat resistance: upgraded material contribute to our plastic silverware better heat resistant. Heavy duty forks has been tested from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. You can enjoy your delicious food with our plastic dinnerware, for hot food or cold food. Brand: N9R, number of pieces 300, material: plastic, color gold 300 pack, product care instructions: hand wash only, recommended uses for product: party, wedding, holiday, birthday, special feature: heavy duty, heat resistant, stain resistant, break resistant, finish type: glossy, included components: forks, spoons, knives. Style: modern. Elegant, durable, it's time to prepare the feast like a millionaire. This gold utensil set plastic cutlery looks like real metal cutlery which bring elegance to your dinner table. This plastic silverware is expertly crafted with sturdy construction, premium material. N9 Our plastic cutlery set is made of food-grade, BPA-free and durable plastic. Designed with smooth edge and shiny decent color. They won't scratch the skin or break easily so that. Thank you very much for watching this full video. So support me to get this type of video regularly on if you want to buy any product from HIWARE. The affiliate link printed in the description box on the fast command. You can buy any product as per your requirement from here by just click on the link. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.